Yo, it's your boy, Crypto Cowboy, back at it again with another crypto update. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but let's pretend like that never happened. Anyways, I'm talking about DSP It's just like T2X, but if you need a refresher on how to exactly do this doohickey, then bam, there's a video for T2X, and it's fairly simple. Like, let's look at the staking lounge. Well, not the staking lounge, the auction lounge lobby. All right, let's see. So, and the difference between T2X and DSP is that instead of like 5 million to start out, it's just 2.5 million, and it's going down all the way to a million. Right? Well, I'm gonna do my whole collection process. I'm gonna collect that real quick. And then I'm going to enter 4,000 each day. That's what I'm going to do. Just, DCA, dollar cost average. Let's see. Yep. It's not looking bad. The daily entries were like all-time high. Was at like 17 million. It'll come back again, I promise, especially if you dollar cost average. But for now, just taking it a little bit at a time, I'm not mad at it. And let's look at the divs. Now, I was getting I say in general, 10,000 DSP, and I was making, I'd say about 40,000 TRX just in 3 days or something crazy. So, I mean, it's kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? But, put this in here every day, and you'll be making those sweet divs. All right? But it's just like T2X. Like I said, look at the video, and let's see. For 15, I put this on day 14. This is day 17 now, because day 18 will be tomorrow. And I've already made 11,300, TRX. Not bad for divs, and just putting in a little bit at a time. I mean, I am not mad at this at all. I'm loving this project for sure. Here's my referral, right? Come check it out, stop on by. And, that's basically it yet again. Look at that T2X video to really get into it, because, man, it is juicy. All right? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But, yeah, it's your boy, Crypto Cowboy.